Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Newspay Read and Earn application. So this is basically an online application that has been getting really popular lately on social media ads, and different influencers are talking about this. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. As you can see, like, this application has 100,000 plus downloads. This is a major green signal, and another excellent sign about this application is that it has 4.7 rating, which is an excellent rating, and it is based on 60,000 plus reviews. So I would say, like, this is one of the most biggest green signal about this application. Why? Because based on 60,000 reviews, I can surely claim that this website or this application cannot have are sort of fake reviews, because it is not possible to get a 60,000 fake reviews. And as you can see, the people are actually praising that they were absolutely love the game. This is the second time downloading it, and the people are actually giving the 5 stars because they were very much satisfied. So in conclusion, I would say, like, this application is not a scam and you should try it out. As you can see, the application, you can also download it from different other applications, so providing softwares like Sonic website. So in conclusion, I would say, like, this application is really good and you should try it out and give it a shot, and you can also figure out if you can actually withdraw the money or not. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.